This is a 1.8 turbo Beetle. Just died one day. You know, stalled out, wouldn't push start because the alternator was bad. What I thought. Spent 200 bucks on this guy. Put it in, charged the battery, started up. Well, when the battery died, it died. I did some searching on the car, and I found under this battery box, this cable here was melted. And here's the old one. It goes to the positive battery terminal under the plastic housing here. And that cable goes to it. And that's what it was. It wasn't the alternator. So if anyone ever has that problem, pop that cover. And look, it was all burnt, melted. Burnt, melted. Found this one at the junkyard. 10 bucks. 200. Wish I'd have looked first, but who knows. Because I charged the battery again, pulled the cable off, and it died, so I assumed it was the alternator. Soon wrong.